So guys, before you go, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and share. And let's quickly do a quick analysis on our pound USD for today. Now, first of all, we are going to analyze this from our daily time frame. As you can see, we will be marking one level here. You can see on this our daily time frame, our price has actually been ranging here for the past 7 to 9 days. Now you can see that our price has actually been ranging here. So we are going to highlight it where our price is actually ranging. We are going to mark it as how do I supports. You can see here previously where our price rejected here. So we are going to start from here, highlight it as our support, and we're also going to mark this place where our price has also been ranging to, which is our resistance. Now that is it. Because we want to determine our price for today, this Friday, where our price will be moving, then we will go on to our 4-hour time frame. As you can see on our 4-hour time frame, price has actually been ranging here. We can even also highlight it back there. You can see also price ranging here. We can take it as a first breakout. Now on our 4-hour time frame, you can see that our price has actually been ranging here. Now that our price have not hit this our supports, where do you think our price will be going next? Then definitely we are aiming to our price to hit this our resistance level. So we are not going push up on our pound USD for today. Our pound will be going bullish and we should be aiming bullish. As you can see on our USD index, we would want to be having a drop for today. If you are to analyze our index, we have hit this one key level here, so we would want to be having a drop before going up. So when we are having a drop on our USD index, then definitely our pound or any other pair relating to it should actually be going bullish. So for today, our pound will actually be going bearish. We will actually be going bullish. We will actually be seeing a spike up, bullish move of about 60 to 70 pips for today. So that is my analysis for today.